Good morning, Cousin Mary and Jean. How's it going today? You'll never guess what happened here. Cindy and I kept hearing the most god-awful bird. I mean, all the time. So every time, we'd go outside to look, there's this bird bomb diving our cat. The cat just sits there looking, so I don't know if she got her eggs or what, but man, that bird's been at it for about a week now, and I mean constant. So we've got a suicide bomber bird in our backyard. I'm just waiting to find it dead. The cat's bound to get it sooner or later. She just sits there real still watching it. So she's waiting to pounce, and that's going to be the end of that bird. But it's pretty wild. The thing's pretty brave. Can't believe it. It's going to get it one day.